Discover Marina Place at Rashid Yachts Marina, a waterfront sanctuary where serene luxury meets breathtaking views. Nestled among the calm waves of the marina, lush gardens, and the iconic Dubai skyline, these two towers redefine modern living. Choose from bespoke 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments or spacious 3-bedroom townhouses, each designed with high ceilings, expansive windows, and layouts that offer comfort and elegance. Enjoy a range of premium amenities designed to elevate your lifestyle, from spaces for relaxation to those for socializing and staying active, all seamlessly integrated with the beauty of the waterfront. Starting from just 2.08 million dirhams, Marina Place combines sophistication, simplicity, and a seamless connection to nature. Discover your new home by the marina. Contact us now to learn more.